Web developers, you may not think you need insurance, or you may have not even thought about it, but if you have clients and you run a web development business, you need it. By understanding your risks and following the strategy in this video, you can get very good policy and it won't cost you much at all. I'm Austin Landis and I run a commercial insurance agency with over 3,000 business clients across the US. Insurance works very well for large businesses because they have a lot of expertise and great insurance people at their disposal to help them avoid traps. I create these videos to give smaller and mid-sized businesses the tools and resources to never get taken advantage of by insurance companies. Most web developers want insurance for 4 main reasons. 1, they have a customer that requires proof of insurance. 2, they want protection from lawsuits. 3, they're worried about data breaches into their systems. And 4, copyright infringement claims. There could be additional risks or policies you need if you have a staff or maybe even commercial vehicles, but we aren't going to cover that here since it's not specific to web developers. It would be applicable to any business. You can cover those 4 primary risks and most other risks with a simple general liability and tech E&O insurance policy from a quality insurance carrier. Below, I will give you examples from these quality insurance carriers. Here's my method. I secure the general liability and tech E&O quote, then I endorse or add on the media liability, which covers copyright infringement, libel, and slander. For most situations, this is the broadest and most cost-effective way to purchase your insurance. Think of it this way. General liability insurance covers the physical world, usually meaning property damage and bodily injury you cause to others. This is extremely low cost for web developers since it's very low risk. The tech E&O with your media liability covers the liability from the data you store, the media you use on public websites, and the errors you make in your code that cause harm to others. Yes, I know the likelihood of a full limit $1 million claim is very low for most small developers with smaller clients. The insurance is also priced for those chances being low. First, paying $50,000 in attorney's fees to fight a lawsuit is bad for most developers, I know. Even if you win, the legal costs are tough, but the main benefit is that it effectively outsources a large part of your legal operations. The insurance company hires and pays for the attorneys, manages the claim, shows up to your court dates, and settles all the claims on your behalf so that you don't have to slow down your business to deal with it. Many of my clients have even forgotten they're being sued when I call to check in. Pricing and coverages will vary across different insurance companies. Here are real pricing examples from the best quality insurance companies I have seen for a $500,000 revenue web developer for both general liability and tech E&O with all the coverages discussed. If your company is larger, the premium will get larger with your company size. Additionally, if you live in a more litigious state, you might see higher premium than these examples. The first sample quote we have is a premium insurance company and offers the highest level of insurance you can buy. It is $250 per year for the general liability, $2,800 per year for the E&O and cyber, and $330 per year for the media liability for a total of $3,380. Insurer 2 is another company that we've had excellent experience with. This particular policy is optioned more with small businesses in mind. For example, the E&O policy is an add-on to the GL and has less customization available. Additionally, some of the limits are lower on the cyber coverages than the Insurer 1 option. This quoted premium is $2,254 per year. It is important to remember when comparing insurance that it's never apples to apples. I would say both these quotes offer a great value since they cover the primary risks of the business. There are just different stages where companies might need more premium insurance options and vice versa. Just remember, how you shop for insurance will determine how the insurance companies pay claims. If you buy cheap insurance with no regard to quality, the claims experience will mirror that. If you're looking for quality insurance, I have a checklist that you can download in the link below that will help make the process simple and easy. You can verify that all the items that are important to you are checked off before purchasing any quote. The cost difference between getting all the important coverages versus getting terrible insurance is generally not much at all. This checklist will help you understand what you're actually getting quoted for. If you thought this video was helpful and you're looking for a quote on your insurance, give my agency a try. We operate in most states. You can also get a quote online for the insurance company shown above, usually within the business day. If you are looking for something more unique or you have questions, you can schedule a time on our calendars using the link below as well.